everybody, welcome. Okay guys, so as I'm watching this back, I realized that my camera is out of focus for a majority of this video. I really do apologize. I don't know what's kind of happening with my lens, but I apologize again, and I guess we'll get back to the video now. Back to my channel. My name's Christina, and today, probably no surprise to anyone, I have another TJ Maxx haul. So you guys know I frequently go to TJ Maxx and try to find some deals for you guys. There is going to be a giveaway in this video, so definitely make sure to hit that like button if you are excited about that. I try to do giveaways in most of my TJ Maxx videos because some people don't have TJ Maxxes, or they're just not able to go as often as I can, or they're just not able to buy anything. I've been there and I just want to share with you guys the stuff that I find. Obviously there's going to be a giveaway. I'm announcing it really early this time. Usually I wait, but I figured I'd go ahead and throw it in. If you want to find out what the giveaway item is, definitely keep watching because I'll be telling you guys that later. But I think you guys are going to be real excited about it because it's a good one this time. So before we get any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And like I said, I do these TJ Maxx videos pretty regularly, probably about every 2 weeks or so whenever I can get in there, whenever I'm feeling spendy. Just make sure you're subscribed so you know when I update. And now we'll get into what I bought at TJ Maxx. Yeah. My wallet and my boyfriend are disappointed in me. So I actually did have a goal for the TJ Maxx visit this time. I had something I needed to get, and that was dry shampoo. Now, if you've been a long time follower of me, then you know I pretty much live and die by dry shampoo, and there's one brand that I always end up going back to. There's always a ton of them. Oh god, what's happening to my voice? There's always a ton of empty bottles in my empties videos, and that is the Batiste dry shampoo. Now, as you can see, this bottle is ginormous. This is the extra large size. This is 400 milliliters of dry shampoo. I wash my hair about every 3 days, and I do get a little oily on my scalp. It's a huge bottle. This will last me a good while. So I got this bottle for $7.99, and this retails for $13.99 at Ulta or pretty much anywhere else you can buy it. And like I said, that's something I use all the time. I never have to worry about not finishing a bottle of dry shampoo. The next thing I needed was body wash, and I wanted to try something a little different, and for some reason I was more inclined towards summer scents. I don't know if it's because it's been extra cold here and I'm just like kind of over winter right now, but I ended up getting this body wash, and again, this is a big bottle. Like, this will last me probably until the summer, and this is the Daily Aromatherapy Uplifting Body Wash in coconut and hibiscus, and it's blended with coconut oil. My skin is super dry right now, so I was kind of looking for something that had like a more moisturizing feeling. I'm a little over the snow. You guys know I live in the southern part of the United States, and we like never get snow, and I live at the beach. I live at the beach in the south, and we've gotten snow multiple times already this year, and I'm not here for it. It was fun the first time, but I'm like over it now. It can go somewhere. I bought this giant baby for $6.99, and I couldn't really find it online anywhere, so just based on the sticker from TJ Maxx, it says compare at $9. So sometimes the stickers from TJ Maxx are actually a little off. Occasionally you'll get one where it's correct. So sometimes it's right. So I'm just gonna go based off of the bottle, and it says compare at $9. So it's not a huge savings, but I mean, this is again a huge bottle of body wash. This is something I'm gonna end up using, so I'm really not worried about it not being a huge savings because it's not something I would have bought anyways, and it's gonna last me forever, and a couple dollars savings is still a savings in my book. The next item is actually something that's not exciting at all. In no way is this exciting. I can't even find a brand on this, but I also bought some face wipes. Now, I don't know if you guys know this because I haven't really updated you guys on my skincare routine, but I do not use face wipes on my face anymore. I was using them to remove my makeup first at night for a while, and I just noticed they were really drying out my face. It just felt like it was tugging at my skin, and I just didn't like it. So this actually is not for my face. I'm actually gonna put these in my filming area, and I'm gonna use these to take swatches off of my hands and my arms when I do swatches. So I paid $3.99 for these, and it says on the sticker, again, I don't even know what the brand of this is. I just picked up one that looked pretty generic because I don't need anything fancy since it's just going to be to remove swatches. And it says on the sticker compare at $5. So again, it's only like a saving of like $1. So the next thing is actually going to be the thing that I think you guys should be the most excited about, because this is going to be the item that I am throwing in a giveaway. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to give it away because I was so excited to find it, but I honestly don't need it. I probably will never get to it. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know I just did a massive lipstick declutter, and I seriously have been sucking at not buying lipstick. So I do not need these, and if that gives you a little hint, I found some lipsticks for you guys, and I'm super excited about these, and I think you guys are going to be excited as well. So I found one of the Anastasia lip trio kits, but I saw these and immediately snatched them up because this is a good deal. This is 3 full-size liquid lipsticks. Now these are not like normal colors, like you can't buy these in separates, you can only buy them in kits, and the colors that come in it are Dazed, Bittersweet, and Hudson. And like I said, they are full size. These are the liquid lipsticks. This is what you guys are going to be getting in your giveaway. So again, if you are interested in entering that, just make sure to like the video, subscribe, follow the link down below. I always do my giveaway through Gleam because it helps me generate a winner without having to go through comments and like maybe being biased. So link down below for Gleam. It is international. I always do my giveaways international because I want to give everyone a shot. I know a lot of you guys don't have TJ Maxx's in your cities or your countries, so I just want to open it up to anyone. So if you're interested in winning this little Anastasia lip kit, all of the info is down below. Oh, and if you're interested in prices, so I got this at TJ Maxx for $14.99, which is a steal for 3 liquid lipsticks, and like these are full size. 1 liquid lipstick is normally $20, so a good deal on that. And the normal retail price is $25. The next thing that I saw is something that I got in my last TJ Maxx haul, so it's really just an extra one. But this is another of the plain liquid lipsticks. This is this not focused on my face this whole time? I think it is. So this is one of the other Anastasia liquid lipsticks. This one is in the color Ashton. This color is super, super popular. When I saw it, I immediately like scooped it. And they're the same price as they were when I went 2 weeks ago and got those other 2. So I got this for $6.99, and these are normally $20 each. So I definitely made a good deal on this one and the other ones. I've pretty much gotten 3 liquid lipsticks for the price of 1. And then last item in this little haul is something I'm really excited about. I don't know when I'm gonna get to use it because you guys know I'm doing Project Pan, but I just saw it. It's so pretty. I haven't seen anyone have these in any TJ Maxx hauls, and I watch a lot of like TJ Maxx videos just to kind of see what people are finding at theirs. But I found this Anastasia blush kit, and this is the Radiant one. So it has three colors. It has Spoiled, Coastline, Breeze, and Terrace. They're all my tones. They're all peachy pinks, which are my favorite blush colors to wear, and it's like the perfect travel size. There are the shades on the inside. I think this is going to be my travel palette. You guys know I travel a lot, and this gives me options for blushes, and they're all kind of tones that I would go for anyway, and it's smaller than my Benefit palette that I like to use. This I got for $19.99, so it is one of the more expensive items that I've ever bought at TJ Maxx, but these retail for $30, so I definitely got a good savings on this as well. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. It's just a matter of when I can get to it. Blushes take forever to get through, but I am really excited to start using this. I think it is stunning, and I'm just excited to see what the formula is like and if it lasts a long time, and it's just really pretty to look at. And that, guys, is everything I got at TJ Maxx this time around. I know it's actually one of my smaller hauls, but I feel like I got some really, really good stuff. So for the rundown, what I ended up spending before tax was $60.94, and then if I had bought everything normal retail price, I would have spent before tax $102.99. So basically that equates to a savings of about $42.05, which is awesome. I'm okay with that saving. That's like 2 tanks of gas for me. Like that's a phenomenal saving. This is why I do TJ Maxx hauls, because you can find really, really good stuff for a discounted price. And I mean, these are all items I'm gonna end up using, and it's just kind of fun. It's like a treasure hunt. So guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you aren't yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 5 p.m. Eastern, and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my content. Also, don't forget to enter that giveaway if you are interested, because it will be open for 2 weeks. It is international, and guys, who doesn't want more lipsticks in their life? And hopefully that means I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!